Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to solve this map scale problem. We are given that there's a map showing part of Singapore drawn to the scale. Oh, this is an important scale. 1:62,500. Okay. Then we are also given that the distance on the map is 4 cm when the actual distance is in kilometer. We are supposed to find the actual distance. So for those who are not very sure, this 62,500 represents the actual distance. This 1 represents the map. So during my working here, you will then see Mr. Tan doing this. I will have my map is to actual, and all scale is given in terms of cm. And since I know this is going to be in kilometer, I am going to convert this to kilometer by dividing by 1000 meter followed by 20 for the cm, so it's 100,000. And that will actually be 0.625 kilometer, and I have 1 cm. And the question now tells me 4 cm. So all I have to do, I multiply by 4. So I also multiply by 4. Final answer, 2.5 kilometer on the map. Okay. So let's move on to part B. Part B, they talk about area. Means that I need an area scale. So again, relying on the previous scale. But notice this scale is actually given in cm. It is not cm square or meter square. And very carefully, Mr. Tan also saw something. Mr. Tan saw the unit is in meter square. So even before doing anything, right, Mr. Tan would convert this to meter. Okay. And to convert cm to meter, I divide by 100. So it's 625 meter. I still have my 1 cm. And now, notice how I get my area scale. I square it, meaning 1 cm times 1 cm. 625 meter times 625 meter. That will give me my area scale. And this is very important. This is what we call our area scale. Okay. And with that, then I can go back to the question already. Since they give me the distance in the garden is this much, how many cm would that be? So final answer, the area of the gardens on the map is therefore simply equals to 820,000. I just need to divide by the scale. Then I will know how many cm square is that on the map, and it is an exact value of 2.0992 cm square. And we are done for this question. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a good day.